Alrighty guys, welcome to today's video. It really isn't going to be much. Just going to be going over some things I'm going to do to the car, to show you how it's sitting as of now. If you didn't watch the video before this one, me and Mike went ahead and installed coilovers on the Z. We lowered the rear about 2.5 inches, and the front we dropped about 2 inches. I'm running a reverse stagger. I have 18s up front, 17s in the rear. Got some big grippy boys up front, so I'm really happy with how it looks. As of now, they're not clearing the fender liners, so I mean we're only on the right side. The screws to the fender liners are kind of giving us some issues, so no big deal, nothing zip ties can't fix. So I put some zip ties up there, and let's show you the car. So this is what it's looking like at full lock. As you can see, my stock angle isn't that much. I added rack spacers, which is supposed to add an extra 15 degrees of angle. Let's turn this all the way, show you. Which is not too bad. Stock. And I have 2 other spacers that are actually on my rack, which I've kind of been confused as to what they were. And yeah, they're actually spacers that were improperly installed. So, you know, I'm gonna pop the tie rods off before we take it for an alignment. I'm gonna put those in their proper place. I might do that in this video today. There's 2 loose, I'm not gonna be able to show you from right here, but there's 2 loose washers that are actually supposed to be for spacers on the rack, which I'm assuming one of the previous owners did that. I think someone used to drift this car before, hence why I got the quarter panel damage and why my stock bumper is all drift stitched up. You can see my stock bumper, it's up here. Previous owner stitched it all up, and come on, tell me that doesn't look like a drift stitch. But regardless, probably pop those spacers on today and then see how we are sitting. But not too shabby. On top of that, here's my coolant leak I'm always dealing with. So I'm gonna loosen this up, clean this pipe, go from there. Tools. Just don't feel like looking for my socket right now and my ratchet. So use this baby. Alright, so pop this off. It's got this corrosion and all this nasty stuff. It's all gummed up right here. I'm gonna clean this all off, seat this pipe properly and start her up, and hopefully she will stop leaking coolant. So if it's like this, I'm not gonna pass tech on the 19th. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this pipe up right now, clean the engine bay slightly, and yeah, hopefully the coolant leak will be addressed. And then all I need is this pulley right down there, right where my finger's on. That's the AC idler pulley. That right there is seized, so it's squealing like a bitch. So I'm gonna be getting a new one of those in. I think I'd still pass tech with the squeal, but I really don't want to go around the whole day idling, waiting in line with this thing squealing as loud as it is. So I was just looking inside this pipe. I don't know if you guys see that. It's actually cracked. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna clean this up and see, it doesn't look like it's cracked all the way through, but I'm gonna go ahead and order a new coolant pipe before the next event. But yeah, that could be why it's been leaking, but again, it's not cracked all the way through, and I've done this multiple times and it's been a temporary fix. So I just scrubbed it off with this. I'm gonna put it back on, clean the engine bay, and hopefully no more coolant leak. Cleaning this all off. If anyone has a specific cleaner they use for their engine bay, drop a comment, let me know. Yeah, something that's easier than like a wet rag. Yeah, I really should come in and deep clean all this, so I'm gonna probably just go through all this, clean her up, and then show you guys the end result. Obviously I cleaned up all the coolant right here, but you know, I'm gonna fire it up, let her just sit here, let her idle, and we'll see if she starts sputtering out coolant anywhere. All right, so she looks kind of better. I kind of cleaned it up a little bit. Not gonna go too crazy, it's just gonna get dirty again, you know, but this winter I'll probably deep clean everything, be good. There'll be another video coming up of starting up doing this idler pulley down there. Just gonna have to drop the radiator, then I'll have full access to do everything. It's gonna be tight, but I'll be able to get it done before the drift event. And yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna wash the car, just do some rollers back and forth in the driveway to show you guys how this fitment looks. I'm so stoked on the how the wheels look. They look great. This is at full lock right now. I just wanted to see what it was looking like, so not too bad. And without further ado, let's watch this baby. Cue the B-roll. Alright guys, if you're still watching, I appreciate all of you. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you want to see, drop suggestions below. Next week we'll be doing the AC idler pulley. We got the whole assembly coming in the mail, so we'll be doing that. Then hopefully all the drift prep will be done. It'll be good for Lock City. But until next time, thanks for watching. Peace out.